How to redeem or use Tango gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site tango.com. It will land you on the official page of Tango. Once you're in here, tap on the sign in or redeem at the top right and then head over to redeem a Tango card. It will land you on this interface. At the right you can see it says enter your Tango card here. So what you want to do is, in this section, you need to enter the gift card number and also enter the PIN of your gift card. Once you have entered, tap on the tick box and then click on activate. Well, now your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Tango gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.